the famous Disneyland Mountain Challenge, riding all 4 mountains here at the park: Space Mountain, Splash Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain, and Matterhorn in an hour. Can you do it? I mean, can I do it? How about we dive right in and find out? Alrighty, I'm making my way over to Tomorrowland because I feel like the first attraction I should hit for this mountain challenge is Space Mountain. Space Mountain is one of the most popular attractions here. I feel like Space Mountain would be a very wise decision to do first, so that's where we're headed. And the goal is to make it through all those rides and back to this clock right here on Main Street, across from the Crystal Arts. Alrighty, we're waiting at Tomorrowland's entrance. I'm so nervous, I hope I can do this. 4 mountains in 1 hour. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is do single rider Space Mountain. Single rider should help out quite a bit because most of the crowd is gonna be in the regular queue. Let's do this. Let's see, the stopwatch has started. It is at 19 seconds. We're at 8 o'clock on the mark, February 7th. Alrighty, we made it. We actually didn't have sound on that ride, which was odd. Yeah, it was weird on that particular run. We didn't have music. Maybe because we were the first train through the circuit. But yeah, I haven't ridden Space Mountain without music in like years. It's been a while. Let's head over to Matterhorn because we've got to get that one done. And that one also has a single rider line. I'm frantic. Stay away from me. I'm crazy. Oh, those little sneakies. You can't cut through here. You have to walk around. Every second counts. Watch out, little bird. Move. There she is. I'm gonna try to beat Adam's time. Adam from Adam the Woo did it in 57 minutes. Alrighty, it's about 8:15. Super excited. This is my favorite ride, by the way. Alrighty, it's about 8:20, 8:21. Alrighty, that was fantastic. I'm making the executive decision to cut through Fantasyland to get over to Big Thunder Mountain. Big Thunder Mountain has a posted 15-minute wait right now, so that's gonna kind of hold me back. Splash Mountain will be the easiest. Splash Mountain usually has a walk-on around this time because it's a little chilly. Oh man, my legs are on fire already. See, I don't know, this might have screwed me. Going this way might have screwed me. But I'm not sure though, because I was thinking if I went through the other way, I'd have to go through the castle, make it right into Frontierland, and around the corner. I feel like this would be the same distance. I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out. All right, this is definitely a 15-minute wait. Oh no. Ooh, see, like I wonder if I would have done this one after after Space Mountain. It would have been a better decision. I'm not sure. The only thing is that I know this attraction runs only a few trains on its circuit early in the morning, so maybe this was the right decision to go after Matterhorn. I mean, unless you hit this one first, then Space Mountain because it has a single rider line. Alrighty, fantastic ride on Big Thunder Mountain. We're heading over to Splash Mountain next. This one might be a hit or miss as far as time because the ride cycle is quite long. It is about 39 minutes in, 8:40. Oh man, we're cutting it close here. We're cutting it close. Alrighty, and because Splash Mountain's queue does take quite a bit to walk through, we're gonna go over here to Single Rider because you go right down into the station.
Arms being laid inside the rock.
I'm so nervous. Oh no! Ooh! Alright, here we go. Woo! I have 5 minutes to get to Main Street. Oh Lord. Oh my God. My legs are gonna give out. 56. Definitely beat me. There's no way I'm gonna get it there in a minute. Adam, you got me. If you're watching this, you got me. But I still might be able to do this in under an hour. This is very difficult for those that are gonna try this. This is extremely difficult. Single rider on 2 rides, 3 rides actually. Big Thunder is the one that kind of screwed me just because of its line. If it didn't have a line, I would have been good. But because it has a line, that's what screwed me. Ooh, I'm getting my cardio in. I'm sweating right now. Oh God, that hill, I was like climbing Everest right there, going over the Pirates of the Caribbean. I'm literally walking as fast as I can. 58, 58, still 58, still 58.
better.
59, holy moly, I have 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Oh no. Oh man. Oh my God, I could see the clock. I could see the clock. I could see it, I could see it. I made it, look at this. I did it in 1 hour. I did it. 9 o'clock. That's crazy. I did it though. I was able to do it. 4 mountains, Space Mountain, Matterhorn, Big Thunder Mountain, and Splash Mountain, all in 1 hour. Holy moly, I'm sweating. My God, that last 30 seconds was the craziest 30 seconds here at Disneyland I've ever had. That is insane. I can't believe I did that. Now here's the thing, if I would have went around the front of the castle in the Frontierland, I wonder if that would have shaved off some time. And then you know what else sucked? In Splash Mountain, right before the last lift hill, we were like stuck there. There was a bunch of like logs already lined up, so we were backed up. So I think if I would have been able to make it through that, up the lift hill, down the drop, like 45 seconds faster, I would have gotten to the clock with like 30 seconds to spare, but I got to the clock like right at the dot, which is insane. That was so much fun though. Like I had so much fun doing this. Like I'm like sweating and dying right now, but that was a ton of fun. Oh man, I gotta do that again. I wanna do it again and see if I can beat Adam's time of 57 minutes. I did it in exactly 1 hour. You know, I didn't do it under an hour, but I think doing all 4 attractions in 1 hour exactly is pretty darn good. Especially for a Friday. Today's Friday. There's a lot of people in the park today. So I think that's pretty good. I'm proud of myself. You know, I gotta try this again. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do a part 2 because I wanna try to at least beat Adam's time of 57 minutes. Because that's difficult, that's really hard. I'm gonna have to come up with a strategy because I thought doing Space Mountain, Matterhorn, Big Thunder, and Splash Mountain would be good, but see, it's what sucks are the little things that like stop you from getting that extra 30 seconds. Like, you know, if someone like walks in front of you, or if someone is like, has a big stroller and they're like right in front of you, like trying to navigate through all the people, or if you're on an attraction and you're at a stop, you're on the brake run, or, you know, like in my case on Splash Mountain, we were stuck at that last lift hill for a good like minute. So that could have been a minute, you know, walking back to Main Street. So it's just the little things that hold you up. And even on Space Mountain, I wasn't able to ride Space Mountain until like 8:02 or 3 because they were still cycling the attraction and I had to wait. Thankfully I was the first train into the ride, but Man, that's crazy. But you know, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel and you love Disney content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you stay up to date on every time I post new videos. I have an Instagram account at Theme Park Obsession, so be sure to follow that as well, because sometimes I post content there that I don't normally post here on YouTube. But other than that, until next time, until the next mountain challenge, I'm going to try this again. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time in the parks. Bye.